Hello friends, welcome back to lmsdaily.com. In this video, we will see how you can change the question type order on your Moodle site. Now, whenever a teacher is adding a create a new question in your Moodle course, then they might see the question types in a specific order. But for example, you would like them to use the frequently used question on the top and you would like to set other question types on the bottom side of that window. So I will show you how you can set up specific question types on the top and the others on the bottom of the create a new question type pop-up. So you need to make sure that you are logged in as the site admin for your Moodle site, and whenever you are there on the site admin tab, you need to go to the plugins tab, and here you need to scroll down until you see the question types. So here I have this question types, and now you need to click on this manage question types link. On this page you will see all the available question types on your Moodle site, as well as you will see the buttons to either disable specific question type so that the users will not be able to use them, or you can use these arrows to order them in a different way. Now, as for this example, you can see that I have this multiple choice and true false as the first and second option here. I will just open a new course and show you that after changing this order, I will get a new order under the create a new question tab pop-up. So I will just go to another course here. And I will go to the question bank of this course and click on this create a new question button here. So now you can see that I am getting multiple choice first and true false as a second option. I will go back to the site admin page and I will just, for example, shift this true false to the up. And now you can see that I have this as first and multiple choice as a second option. I will just go back to the course and click the reload button here. Now again click this create a new question button, and you can see that I have this true false as the first priority in the create a new question type pop-up. So similarly, you can also sort your question types according to the requirements of your Moodle teachers. And if you have any problem while facing this screencast, please feel free to share your comments in the comments section below. If you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as press the bell icon. It will really help me to create more engaging content for you in the future. Thank you very much.